let me introduce the Perfect App Cash Program and its amazing features. At the top of the Perfect app, you will see two boxes named Cash Factor and Cash Points. So let me explain the details. Let's start with the Cash Factor box. When you open the Perfect app for the first time, you will see two numbers here, 0 and 0. The left number is always for the last month. And as we are in October now, the left 0 is for September. The right number is for the current month of October. And whenever you are using the Perfect app, you are activating the counter on the right. Each time when the counter reaches a full 60 minutes, your cash factor will go up by 1. As long as you have the Perfect app opened on your desktop, the counter will run. When you minimize or close the Perfect app, or after 1 hour of inactivity, the counter will stop automatically. And here's the kicker. Whenever one of your PI family members, 5 generations deep, reaches 60 minutes, your cash factor will go up by 1, 2. The more people you and your first 4 PI generations invite, the higher your cash factor will grow. Now, let's say it is October 31st and it is midnight. So October is over. And let's assume that you have collected a cash factor of 10,000. This number will now move from the right to the left. And the right number will go back to 0. Why? The right number shows your cash factor for the current month. And the current month is now November, so it is 0. The left number shows your cash factor for the last month, and that would be October. So you can see the 10,000 cash factor there now. Around November 15, while you are collecting your new cash factor for the month of November, something will happen to your old cash factor. After we, the company of Perfect Internet, has determined, based on the revenues of October, how much money we can share with our loyal members. Yes, that is you. We will convert your cash factor into cash points. One cash point has a value of 1 US cent. Now, to make it easier to understand, let's just assume that we will pay just 1 cent per cash factor for the month of October. So, you would receive 10,000 times 1 cent equals 10,000 cash points. And 10,000 cash points have a value of $100 US. And now it is up to you to decide what you want to do with your money. You have two options. Option number 1, you can cash out your money by using your PI debit card. However, you would need a minimum balance of $50. $25 is for a processing fee to receive the PI debit card, and $25 is the minimum amount to request a payout. And option number 2, you can convert your cash points into deal points to use them for shopping on one of our shopping pages. When you have enough deal points to cover the sales price, the shipping costs, and the system fee, you will shop for free. And shopping for free is one of the many things that you can find exclusively at the Perfect Internet. Each month, you will receive cash points based on your last month's cash factor. And we guarantee you that this opportunity will stay free forever. And yes, we guarantee you that there is no jobs to do, ever. There is nothing that you can do to raise your cash factor besides using the Perfect app and inviting other free members.